Hello class and welcome to another video. We are doing another debugging exercise just to get used to things. So we open it up, the C# source file that we have. Of course there's no red squiggles because it's not in a C# program. So let's go ahead and copy all that code. We're going to go to File, New, Project Solution. We're going to create a console app. We're going to name this one DebugFour3. Go ahead and click Next and Next. We're going to get rid of this starter code that we have and paste all of the C# code that we grabbed out of our other file. Okay, so we have a few things going on here. Just going down the line, we have a red squiggle here. And the reason why is if you're trying to create variables on the same line, you do not separate them with a semicolon, you separate them with a comma, and that'll fix that issue. We have another one here. Input string equals read line. Let's see here. Input string is here. Okay. They're going to ask how many credits. Input string is going to be read line. And this read line looks correct. It's green because we haven't used it yet. But this read line is red. The reason why is because this L needs to be a capital L. Let's scroll down a little bit. I don't see any more red squiggles, so let's run our program and see what we have. How many credits? Let's see. Let's do 9. We're doing 9. Year in school, let's do 2026. For year in school with 9 credits, tuition is $1,000. Okay. I'm not sure if that's right or not, but let's take a look. So we have low credits, high credits. So these are some constants that we're looking at. The hour fee is a lot. Our discount is 0.15. We have our flat fee of 1900, our rate of 100. Okay, so what are we trying to do here? For your something with credits. So these look a little bit wrong to me. So if I run this one more time, and let's change these credits up. Let's do 15 credits for 2026. Now we have $225,000 for 15 credits. I don't think that's good. Let's see. We get our input string. We convert that to numerical data for credits. We have a input string for the year. We're not converting that, I don't think. Oh, yep, we are. We're converting that to mathematical data. If credits is low, if credits is greater than low credits, tuition equals hours multiplied by credits. Hour fee by credit fee. Okay, that's fine. Else tuition equals flat. So if we're below 12, our tuition is going to be our flat rate of 1900. Okay. Else tuition equals flat plus credits minus high credits multiplied by rate. I mean, this all looks fine to me, except that's a lot of money. So if I do 18 credits, $270,000. So something's going on, and I think it's to do with our fee. Our fee, I don't think they meant that to be 15,000 per hour. I think they meant that to be 150 per hour. So how can we do that? We can just put a period right there. Let's run this one more time. Let's do 15, 2026. That's a lot more manageable. So make sure you take account into your doubles, make sure that if it is a double, which this one was, that you make sure it has a decimal point in there. That helps out. We have ints do not have a decimal point, doubles do. That's one of the main things I see right off the bat. And I think the rest of it works. Okay, let me know if you have any questions over this exercise, and we will see you in the next video. Have a good day.